Hello students, Standard 8th. Yesterday in last session we completed the chapter number 12. But I feel that maybe you need some more practice for this chapter. So I made the final video yesterday, but I'm giving you an extra video so that if you have any confusion with these examples, more sums, there can be helping in you in your. So let's do some extra more sums. Simplify. Simplify. Here we are going to do some first one. A raised to 6 power 3 multiply by a square power 8 multiply by a raised to minus 3 power 4 a square power 5 a raised to 5 power 2. Remember, whenever you attend this chapter's sum, write down everything like freely. Don't write down very congested, because sometimes what you people do, in your notebook there are lines like that. Now you are trying to write down that only like that. Suppose this is the lines, and then you have to write down. So what you write down? A raised to 6 cube multiply by a raised to blah blah blah, and all you want to write down in the same. Don't do that. It look very congested and very untidy. So rather do like that. A raised to 6 power 3 multiply by a square power 8 blah blah blah, divide by, and then second one, down one you can write down in the next, and after everything leave one line so that it doesn't look congested, and otherwise you will get confused yourself while performing these sums. So write down freely. Doesn't matter the more pages are there. So now here you can see that power of power. So 6 multiplied by 3. Also power of power. 2 multiplied by 8. Power of power. Minus 3 multiplied by 4. And a raised to 2 5s are. A raised to 5 2s are. So now a raised to 6 3s are 18. 8 2s are 16. 4 3s are but minus 12. And then a raised to 10 into a raised to 10. Now we know that when there is same base, with multiplication we add the powers. It means a raised to 18 plus 16 minus 12. Similarly down also, a raised to 10 plus 12, 10. So now 18 plus 16, but 16 minus 12 is 4. So 18 plus 4, 22. Divide by 20, a raised to 20. Now again, division and same base. So powers are subtracted. 22 minus 20, and final answer is a square. Let's take another one. Okay, little difficult one. Not much difficult, but different. 3x x power minus 2 and the whole bracket has power 2 multiplied by 2x cube and power 4 divide by 6 x raised to 4 and power 2. Here so many rules we are going to use. So be careful. Here you can see that in the bracket there is 3x raised to minus 2 and the whole bracket has power 2. So when there is a whole bracket and then power, as I told you, mommy papa's rule. Because sometimes what students do now, they forget to give that 3 square. They will do what? 3x raised to minus 2 multiplied by 2. So that is the wrong one. You can't do that. Because when there is a bracket, then all the numbers inside must get that power. So 3 raised to also 2 multiplied by x raised to, now power of power, means minus 2 multiplied by 2. It already have its minus 2 power, but that is also, so 3 also will get that and x raised to minus 2 also will get that 2 power. That is the most important thing. Multiplied by, here also, 2 also will get the power 4 and x cube also will get power 4. Now this is division. So for our convenience like that, you can write down that one. So 6 also will have the power 2 and x raised to 4 also will get that power 2. So that is the most important thing when there is bracket. Most of the students, sometimes clever toppers, are also doing the same mistake because they are in a hurry. In a hurry they will make mistakes. So just remember the rules. So now 3 raised to 2 x raised to minus 2 multiplied by 2 is minus 4. 2 raised to 4 and x raised to 4 3s are 12. Now here 6. You know that 6 you can write down as 2 multiplied by 3. But 6 square is there. So we have to write down the square of that also. And then as rule, 2 also will get and 3 also will get. So for reference you can write down like that. So in place of 6, what we will write down? 2 raised to 2 also and 3 raised to 2 also. Now x raised to 4 2s, right? Now before we go, if there is numerator and denominator have the same, like 3 squared, we can cancel them. So now x raised to here minus 4 and plus 12 according to our first rule. Multiplied by, here there is only 2 raised to 4. Here 2 square x raised to 8. So here 12 minus 4. How much? 8. 2 raised to 4. 2 square into x raised to 8. Here also you can see that. So now divisions with the same base, so subtraction. So 2 raised to power 4 minus 2. That is 2 square. 4 minus 2. And 2 square is the answer. 4 will come here. So we have to remember the rules. Now, some example for evaluate. 5 upon 7 has the power 2 and then power 3. Multiply by 7 squared and again squared. Divide by 5 square and again square. Sorry, 5 cube and again square outside. Yeah. So here you can see that power of power. So first we will do that one. So 5 upon 7 whole raised to 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 2. Divide by, you can write down like that, 5 raised to 3 multiplied by 2. So now is equal to 5 upon 7 whole raised to 6. 7 raised to 4. And 5 raised to 6. 3 to the 6. Now, as I explained you that rule, Bhagwan wala, Satyanarayan, that we have to give to the upstairs and downstairs. So, 5 also will have 6 power and the down one 7 also will have 6 power. Multiplied by 7 raised to 4 and that one you can write down here 5 raised to 6. You can see that it can be cancelled and therefore we get 7 raised to 4 upon 6. So then we have to subtract. So 7 raised to 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Minus 2 when goes in the denominator it becomes plus. So 1 upon 7 square. So answer is 7 square is 49. Let's take one more sum. Okay. So now 12 upon 25 bracket square 15 upon 2 cube divide by 9 upon 2. Sometimes it looks like there are so many big numbers are there, big multiplication, but it is not so difficult. So here 12 and 25 both will get the power 2. Fifteen also will get power 3. 2 also will get power 3. Simplify first. And 9 square upon 2 square, as I told you. Rules. Now in place of 12, what can we write? 12 means 2 into 2 into 3 means 2 square multiplied by 3. So in place of 12 I will write down 2 square multiplied by 3 and whole power 2. 25 is 5 square. You know that. So 5 square and again power 2. 15 is 3 5s are 15. So 3 multiplied by 5 power 3. And it is simple here, 2 cubed. Now if you want to convert division into multiplication, you have to do the reciprocal. So 2 raised to 2 will go up. And 9 is 3 square. So 3 square and again square. Now simplify everything. So 2 raised to get 2 2s are 4. Now don't need to write down power or power. You can directly do 2 2s are 4. But here 3 alone, so 3 squared. Now you can do all the numerators together. So 3 cube into 5 cube into 2 square. Because we converted division into multiplication, it is easier for us now. So now 5 raised to 2 2s are 4. 2 cubed and 3 raised to 2 2s are 4. So now on the top, 2 raised to 4 plus 2. 3 raised to 2 plus 3. 5 raised to 3 alone. Down, first we will write down 2 cube, 3 fourth, 5 raised to 4. So here 2 raised to 6 upon 2 raised to 3. 3 raised to 3 plus 2, it is 4 plus 2 6 now. 3 plus 2 5, 3 raised to 4 and 5 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 4. We separate them so easier for us. So now subtraction. So 2 raised to 6 minus 3. 3 raised to 5 minus 4. And 5 raised to 3 minus 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 raised to 1 is 3. And 5 raised to minus 1. So 2 cube is 8 multiplied by 3 upon 5. So 8 3s are 24 upon 5. Or you can write down in the mixed fraction also. So here we are going to finish this extra special video and you will get it in the PDF file also. Any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.